Welcome to this video tutorial about how to install MARLO. So if you go to our GitHub page, you can see all the contents of the repository, and then there's a wiki that you can access from the GitHub repository, and that takes you to our documentation. From here, you can find installation instructions. MARLO is form of two different packages. One is Malmo, and then MARLO on top of that. We need to have Python 3 and Java 8 installed, and in the case of Windows, Python 3 must be the 64-bit version. So first we will install Malmo, then we'll install MARLO, and after that we'll see how to create MARLO agents. Our wiki contains information about how to install Malmo. This can be done in 4 different ways: via pip, via Malmo repack, via Anaconda, or installing Malmo directly from GitHub. We're going to show in this tutorial how to install Malmo via pip on Windows. The first thing to do is to open a command prompt and write pip install Malmo. This will download the package that can be installed later. The next step is to go into the Documents folder and write Python 3 -c and the directive that downloads and installs the rest of the package. When you execute this would clone the Malmo platform from the GitHub repository and finalize the installation. This can take a while. Once this has been done, you need to set up a variable in your system. This environment variable is called Malmo XSD path, and you have to set it to the directory indicated in the command prompt. This is the directory that contains the schemas, the XML files that Malmo needs to run the missions. Once this has been done, you can run Minecraft. So you open a new prompt, so the variable is loaded, and then launch Minecraft with the following command. If this is the first time that you launch Minecraft, this can take a while because it needs to configure certain files. Once the system has been built, the script will launch the Minecraft client, which you can use to play the game or to connect agents to. Once the client is running, what we're going to do is to launch a very simple mission just to check that everything works. We go back to our command prompt and we include this command. Don't forget to include the double quotes. It will ask you for permission to go through the firewall. That's okay. And then the client will accept this mission and will start it. It's a very simple mission in which really nothing happens, but as we can see that everything is running, we see that everything has been installed properly. So Malmo is there. Installing MARLO is very simple. If we go to the end of the Malmo installation page, we can click on the link that takes us to the install MARLO page. We just have to execute 3 simple commands on Windows. The first of all is to clone the master branch of the CrowdAI MARLO repository. We can do this by typing this command. once this has been done, the repository has been cloned and we can set up the installation using the Python command and the setup script. And that's it.